It's been a cold winter, I'ma switch it for the summer. I ain't packing, but still, suckers run for cover. I mean the sunshine, cause I know I got mine. Pimping is a short thing, buried in my bloodline. They say to hell with me, but I prepare really. They can step to me, my rap is medicine. You don't wanna F with me, I'm always fresh with it. On my best weekly, you ain't stressed.
What's up, my kings and queens? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy, Kings23 Kicks, and I'm back for another edition of Sneaker Cleaning Sunday. So today, what we're gonna do is clean my cool gray 8's here. As you guys can see, they're a little bit beat. You know, these are kind of old, so, and they are kind of dirty. So what I'm going to do is show you guys my cleaning process and the things that I like to use. Now, let me say, first and foremost, of course, you know, Rejuvenator is not paying me in any form or fashion. So I'm not promoting them. I'm just letting you guys know, hey, this is what I use. So if you've ever tuned in and watched my other videos, y'all already know I love Rejuvenator because it's something that, you know, that I use it's very good. You know what I'm saying? There are other things out there, and to each his own. If you guys want to use those other other products, you know, like Crep, and I think there's some other stuff out there. I can't recall what it is. But hey, if you want to use those things, perfectly fine. I'm just letting you guys know what I like to use and what I like to use, keeping my shoes clean and on point. What you see here is the Ultimate Kit. I've actually purchased numerous kits from Rejuvenator, but the Ultimate Kit comes with all kinds of things. You get shoe trees. You actually get 4 of the shoe trees. You get the brushes. You get 4 brushes. You get the soft bristle brush, the medium brush, the stiff brush, and you also get a bristle brush for those hard stains that you want to get off the bottom of your shoes, especially if you're restoring your shoes. You also get a small bottle of water and stain repellent, and you also get some deodorizer. You also get a collapsible bowl, and you do get a microfiber towel. Now, this is not the microfiber towel that came with the kit. I already have microfiber towels, so I'll just use those. I actually haven't used that. I actually haven't used the brushes either as well, or the collapsible bowl, because the other kits that I've gotten, the little smaller ones, I've just been using this Mama Foods bowl, and it's just my go-to bowl. I like using this bigger bowl because you can put a lot more in it, especially when I'm, you know, cleaning my shoes and I don't want to go back and refill or what have you. So there's a lot of things that come with this kit. This kit does run you 130 bucks. From time to time, they will have things on sale. If they do have it on sale, I'd say just go ahead and jump on it. The last sale that they had a buy one, get one free for the water stain repellent. I went ahead and jumped on that, so I got 2 more cans of the water and stain repellent, which is something that I really do like using, especially when it comes to my J's and, you know, when it comes to suede. So once I get through cleaning these guys up, I'm going to hit it with the water and stain repellent just to show you guys how it does. First thing that you want to do when you're preparing and cleaning your shoes, especially, okay, with these 8's, it's going to be a little different because, you know, you got these straps and things of that nature, but you definitely want to make sure that you take your shoestrings out. Then once you guys get the shoestrings out, I like to take out the insole and clean the insole and the inside of the shoe as well. Now, if your shoe is really dirty, this does have a laundry kit, so there is a sneaker laundry detergent that comes with the kit. I actually like that. Or if you're just touching up your shoes, it does come with wipes. I like to use the wipes like right after I get through wearing the shoes and clean them up. So then once I put them back off in the drop fronts, then I know they're good to go and they're clean. So as we go and we get these done, I will stop from time to time to let you guys know my process. So other than that, I will be speeding up the process by fast forwarding because I just don't want to bore you guys to death with just those sneaker cleaning. That's another reason why I'm only doing this like every 2 weeks, okay? If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button down there and hit the notification bell so you guys will be notified of all videos that I drop in the future. I see I'm wearing my Cowboy t-shirt today. Hopefully my boys win today. They play in New Orleans, so we'll see. I was actually supposed to go to that game, man, but I don't know, I just figured I'd do something different, and I'm not going. So I know the 8's, they always stick up in there pretty good. All right, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and get my water, and then I'm going to start with the soft bristle brush, because this is the best brush to get the bubbles and suds going on there. Then I will end up going with the medium bristle brush. I like to hit along the sides of the shoe, and then I'll hit the soles of the shoe, which really doesn't need it, but all intents and purposes, just for demonstration purposes, I will be doing that. And once we do that, then we're good to go. First thing you're gonna do, take your shoe tree. Mine's already out to the most extended part, because your boy do wear a size 12. Put that off in the shoe tree, and you're gonna lock that down. Now, the purpose of the shoe tree while you're cleaning is so you just don't dent in the shoe as much when you're scrubbing and doing what you need to do with the shoe tree. I also like the shoe tree because putting your hand in it, it actually gives you something to hold on to. So as I'm in the shoe tree, when it's in the shoe, I'm actually holding it like this. So it actually helps me control the shoe in the direction that I need to control it in, as you can see. So first thing you do, like I say, get the water, get you some cold water. I don't suggest using hot water. I like to use hot water on my leather. When it comes to my suede and stuff, I use cold water. Get you a couple of squirts of the solution. I'm not gonna say little squirts because I like to clean my shoes, make sure they're good. And we're just gonna go ahead and get into it, get these bubbles going, and get the pre-treatment done. I may actually just go ahead and put these in the wash just to show you guys. As a matter of fact, what I'm going to do is, I'll leave one clean and one dirty, just to show y'all the difference of it. All right. Here's where I'm going to show you guys before and after pictures.
Ice cream, baby. Listen to this. Okay.
Got them Air Force Ones with them Air Force Ones. Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. Them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. You see them? I got them with the J's on the bottom. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom.
Check out my shoe game. It's red over blue strings. Down south, a new thing. I'm a water, what it do, man? I'm chillin' up in this booth, man. J's up on my shoe game. Air Forces with them two stains. The way that a nigga do things. Is it blue and it do swing? Red up in my shoe string. Zoo woo and woo cool. Nigga like me do bang. Unless I take it easy. This game never leave me. What up to that scooter and that boy ain't easy. My pimp game is sleazy. My spit game is wheezy. My hunger for this money keep a young nigga greedy. I'm all about my greenbacks. Yeah, a nigga mean that. Lights, camera, action, make a nigga bring that scene back. Haters never seen that. I put it in the yak, press the button, watch that screen act. Air Force with them J's, yeah, a nigga got them green black.
Nigga got them green black. Air Force Ones, them Air Force Ones. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. You see them? I got them with the J's on the bottom.
Understand one thing, I don't run lanes, I run game. Hip-hop fences, if it ain't about them dollars, it's senseless. Your skills ain't hit it, in fact, I'm convinced they miss it. My mission is to forever live lavishly. It's that fly guy out that Air Force Academy. It had to be strapless, you can't match the matchless. I chastise your best guys and baptize the Baptist. Hold your breath, forensic test, shoulders beat, got flow to death. Prepare to meet the devil in a hot minute. Shut your mouth and put this Air Jordan sock in it. The shit you facing basic, my situation amazing. My Air Force Ones lacing with dope, man. I let these suckers taste it.
Air Force Ones with the Air Force Ones. Air Force Ones with the
Next thing is to grab the medium bristle brush, and that's a stiff one. And now I'm going to hit up the midsoles. As you can see on my table here, as I'm in my dining room, I have a mat here. You know what I'm saying, on the table, because with the mat, you know, cleaning your shoes, this definitely could get messy, which is another reason why I don't do it off inside the castle or off in the king's quarters, because I just don't want a mess off in there when I'm cleaning the shoes. So this is like my designated cleaning area, and it's easier to clean up. So with the medium bristle brush, just gonna hit up the midsoles. Make sure that you don't hit up the suede because you don't wanna mess up the suede on the shoe. That's just another reason why I use a soft bristle brush on suede shoes. Just saying, FYI.
Chopped up by a set of blades. Niggas hate, I'm getting paid and make them turn twice. Cause of these real blue jays. Okay.
Air Force Ones with them Air Force Ones. Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. You see them? I got them with the J's on the bottom. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. With the J's on the bottom. With the J's on the bottom. With the J's on the bottom.
No, nigga.
Yes, sir.
Walking around
It's
these
your boy.
motherfucking streets, nigga.
Hey, school, you know what it
J's
is,
on my
dog.
feet.
Air Force got
Know what I'm
J's on my
talking
feet.
about, nigga.
J's on the bottom of
Matter of fact, I don't think you do. Listen to this.
Okay.
Got them Air Force Ones with them Air Force Ones. Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. You see them? I got them with the J's on the bottom. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom.
Check out my shoe game. It's red over blue strings. Down south, a new thing. I'm a what it do, man. I'm chillin' up in this booth, man. J's up on my shoe game. Air Forces with them two stains. The way that a nigga do things. Is he blue and it do swing? Red up in my shoe string. Suwu and Wuku. Nigga like me do bang. Unless I take it easy. This game never leave me. What up to that scooter and that boy APZ. My pimp game is sleazy. My spit game is wheezy.
So now, you take your sneaker laundry bag, take your shoe, and this can be adjusted for different sizes. There's two parts to the laundry bag, so if you have smaller shoes, smaller feet, you can use just this part, and there's a drawstring for that section. Actually, with the smaller ones, you can actually use one bag for both shoes. But the sneaker laundry bag does hold up to size 14 shoe. So with the sneaker laundry detergent that Rejuvenator provides for you, you do get a measuring cap that's at the top of here. So when you do squeeze it, it'll measure out the exact amount, whether it be a half ounce or an ounce. What you want to do is put the shoe in regular laundry, cold water, normal cycle, with the 1 ounce of sneaker laundry detergent, let it rip, and then it'll get done. So let's go do that. All right, my kings and queens, I'm back. Shoe is all dried. Everything's taken care of. Of course, you know, it took quite a bit of time to dry. This is suede. You know, still having that booty backstroke motion. What I'm thinking about doing is resetting the nap on this one because it does look like it's kind of beat up at the toe box. So I did lace everything up, put everything in there normally. And what I'm actually about to do is apply a couple of more products. So, like I said, this kit has pretty much everything that you could possibly need, man. It has the advanced deodorizer. Not that it needs it, and of course I always put the disclaimer, you know, my feet don't stink, whatever. But I always like to put that couple of squirts of that deodorizer in there. The shoe actually already smells great from being washed in the laundry. As you can see, it's all dried up. Everything's actually looking cleaner. I mean, if you're comparing it to this one, the left shoe still had like a dirty, dingy look. And, you know, after cleaning it, this is what you're left with. All right. So it is a process, but nonetheless, I like doing it. And before anything else, I do like to hit it with the water and stain repellent. This is to protect your shoe in the future for any other damages, maybe water, you know, you might waste something or somebody step on your shoe. I always like to hit it up. So now that I've hit it up, you want to let this dry. It says a few hours, but I like to let it dry, let it sit overnight, whatever the case may be. You know, it'll be back in rotation soon as I get through cleaning this one and go ahead and putting it back off in there. So within week or two, I'll probably put these back in rotation because, you know, I like to rock my shoes. So y'all comment down below. Let me know what you think about the video. Let me know if there's something else that you want to see me clean. Actually, I think the next thing I want to do is I have some Pumas that I need cleaning. I've been trying to get around to these Pumas for a minute, and I've actually been having them sitting here because I keep saying that I was going to clean these Pumas. But I definitely want to clean these Pumas and see how it really gets everything clean and to show you guys. Make sure that you guys subscribe to the channel. All my kings, queens, make sure y'all hit that notification bell, share the channel, offer your feedback. As y'all see, I do respond to my comments. I do like answering my comments, if you can tell from my other videos. Because, you know, it's not just about doing this. I like to connect and have a conversation with my people, you know what I'm saying, part of the kingdom. So until next time, we're back in the kingdom, off in the castle. My king, stand up, rule your kingdom, and my queens, stand beside your king. And always remember, it's always the right time to do the right thing. Peace.
When stressing me, coming from the bottom, moving straight to the top. Coming with the product for the #1 spot. Pushing my rap like a pusher on the block. Holding my ground, sucker rappers get lost.